Hello, my name is Rita Misrobian. Welcome to our home. We've been living here in Granada Hills, California for the past 29 years. My mother-in-law recently moved with us and she's 92. She has a hard time going up and down the stairs. As we have a long flight of stairs, we had to find a solution. So either we were going to sell the house and find a one-story house, or for me, I looked into different solutions and I thought about elevators. I looked into different companies that have different designs, different shapes, and I ended up choosing Nibav Lift because of the sleek design, how it fit in our entryway, and the functionality of it being very easy to use. The noise is minimal when it's a function, when it's working. The design, which I love the most, especially the round design, which the others were mostly square or rectangle, and it fit really perfectly in our round entryway. So we decided on Nibav Lift. We ordered it. The lift is really, really easy to operate. Really, there is nothing complicated. As you see, it's only 2 stories, so if you're going to go up, you go in. It's double doors, of course. You just press 2 and it goes up. Once it stops, you open the door and you go out. All we had to do really is adjust the landing on top. Because of the shape, it really fit perfectly in that corner. So we had just the stair installation person come in and just do additional landing there, and same thing going down. All you have to do is just press 1 and it comes down. Very easy to operate. Like I said, our grandma who uses it the most learned it really in 1 day, 2 days. She was perfectly fine going up and down by herself, although she has hard time seeing, but still with that issue as well, it's not a problem for her. I have 4 grandchildren. The oldest just turned 6 and the others are 3, and twins that are 3, and another one also who's 3.5. First time they saw it, the little ones were scared. They didn't know what it was, but the older was very, she's a very active child. So she wanted to jump in and ride the elevator. So we went together up and down. The others initially were scared, but now as soon as they come, they run, say, Mama, can we ride the elevator? So we go up and down a couple of times until they're satisfied, and they just go and play with their games. Really, I had friends who came in, whoever stepped in, first thing said, wow, what is this you have here? It's so beautiful. This is the first thing really they say. So I referred a couple of friends and family also to get it, because they needed to have elevators, and really I'm really, really happy with the choice that I made. One of the reasons I chose Nibav Lift is the fact that they did not have to drill the floor for installation purposes. I was not worried, but I was thinking, it's a marble floor that's going to be drilled in, but Nibav Lift, its own weight holds it in place. They did not have to drill drill the floor to install it. All we had to do is attach it to the wall for earthquake safety purposes, and that's about it. It holds itself. The weight holds it in place. Actually, I used it myself several times, bringing down my suitcase when I had to travel, and when I injured my knee, I was hard time going up and down the stairs, so it was there for me. Sometimes even a heavy load of laundry, I just pop it in there and go down, and there you go. I don't have to carry it down the stairs. So I would really highly recommend Nibav Lifts.